Good morning, students. Now I am going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 8, logarithms. Logarithms, that is a, you can say, new concept for you. You have nothing done about it. So please listen it carefully. If you listen the laws, then you can solve it. First exercise is not based on laws. That is so simple, just we have to interchange the values. When we interchange the value, answer will be there. So please see it, then we start the laws. Now the value is given in the first sum, 5 raised to power 3, 125. We have to make it log. What to do? Nothing to do. This power and this equals to value. We have to just interchange. 5 remain there, it become the base, and 125 become as a power. You can say power. And this 3 will go to this side. That means this 125 and 3 will be interchanged and with log, L-O-G, log. If log is given, we have to make it without log. Then what to do again? Same thing is there. We have to just interchange these two value and remove the log. 10 remain there. This minus 2 become above and this 0.01 will go to that side. Now the given value in 4 sum is 1 upon 16 to the base 4. Now base 4, that means base is 4 with the log and 1 upon 16 is there. We have to solve it. That why I will take it as a equals to. Now what to do? Because I have to remove the log and find the value of x. To remove the log, what to do? First concept is there. This already done. We have to just interchange 1 upon 16 and x. 4 raised to power x will be there, 1 upon 16 go to that side. Now 4 raised to power x is there, 16 become 4 raised to power 2. Now this 2 have to base same. This 2 go numerator and become with the negative power. If the base are same, that means powers will be equal. X will be equals to minus 2. Now in next concept, if there is given log 4, again find the value of x. What to do? Remove the log. If I want to remove the log, then what to do? Interchange the values. I interchange the value x minus 4 with 32 and remove the log. Then I have to make the base same. 4 raised to power x minus 4 is there. That means 2 raised to power 2. 4 will be there and 32 become 2 raised to power 5. Now the base is same, powers will be equalized. If I equalize the powers and solve it, x become 13 upon 2. In next concept, there will be log 2 raised to power x equals to m. Remove the log, 2 raised to power x and m will be interchanged. That means 2 raised to power m become x. Again, I have to solve with for x. 2 raised to power m minus 3. I have to just separate the powers. 2 raised to power m multiply 2 raised to power minus 3. 2 raised to power m is become x. I put here x. Negative power go to the denominator and solve it. I take 1 upon 8 x. Students, I am going to explain these laws. First we do the simple way. Now there are few laws. If we do the laws, then we can solve the sum. See it. Log m multiply n. That means after log, if two values are multiplied, then there is sign of plus between that two values along with log. If there is after log two values are divided, then there is sign of minus with along log m minus log n. If there is log m raised to power n, then what to do? This power become the multiple of log m remain there. That means n multiply by log n. Power multiply by log value. Then the few values are, we have to learn log 10 is 1, log 100 is 2, log 1000 is 3. That means if how many zeros are there? 1, then 1 is there. If log 100, that means 2 zeros are there, there will be 2. If log 1000, there is 3 zeros, that means answer is 3. Only 1, 2, 3, these are our answer. Now see the sum. By using these log algorithms, we can solve these sums. See, log 36 is there. Factors of 36, I have to do 2 times 3 2 times. That means 2 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2. Now what to do? After log two values are multiplied, log m multiply n, then what to do? Log m, there is sign of plus, then log n. Then next concept, if there is a power become the multiple of log. There is power 2 power become multiple, then log 2. These 2 power become multiple and log 3. Now in next sum, see, log 5 plus log 8 minus 2 log 2. Then what to do? See students, first when I use the algorithms, there should not any multiple between them. Then what to do? This multiple become the power. If the power become the multiple, that means multiple become the power. Now logs are simple. There is no multiple. Then we can apply mn formulas. Log 5, there is sign of plus, that means 5 and 8 will be multiply. If there is sign of minus, that means this value will be divided. By solving it, I get log 10, and I know log 10 is equals to 1. One more sum, log 81 upon log 27 equals to, I can find the value of x. 81, if I take the factor of 81, it becomes 3 raised to power 4. 27, 3 raised to power 3. Now powers are there, then the powers become the multiple. 4 become multiple, 3 become multiple. Now this log 3 will be cancelled, and answer become 4 upon 3. Students, first learn these logarithms, these algorithms, these formulas. If you learn these formula, understand this formula, only then you can solve this exercise, this chapter. Please try to do it. Students, the next concept is about find the value. We have to express log 2, log 3 like that one. Log, if there is base given 10, that means this is a journal form. If there is given 10 or log is without 10, that means that logs are same. So don't worry about this 10. If there is another value, that have some value. But if there is 10, that is journal form. So see it. Log 10, there is 8, 0.92. Then 8 become 2 raised to power 3. Then we know that this power, what to do? Become the multiple. Then log 10 2 equals to, this multiple can go to that side and divide this value. When divided it becomes 0.30. That means log 2, don't consider this 10. Log 2 value is equals to 0.30. Now the sum is given logs with square root 32. What to do? This square root become the power 1 upon 2. Then another concept is there, power become the multiple. Then log 32. 32 again, some value have that by power. That means I have to factor the 32. If I factorize the 32, it become 2 raised to power 5. Now again the power become the multiple. Then it become 5 upon 2, because 5 multiply 1 upon 2 become 5 upon 2. Now already we find the log 2, that is 0.30. That means I can arrange this value at the place of log 2. 5 upon 2 multiply 0.30. By solving it, I find it 0.75. So see students, if there is given 10, that means that is a journal value. Don't take it. Next concept, there is given log 3m equals to x. Now I have to remove the, because this value I have to find. There is not a log given. That means I have to remove the log. First already concept done. That means we have to remove the log. What to do? These value will be interchange. 3 raised to x will be there and m go to that side, and we have to remove the m. In the same way, this n and y will be interchange and log will be removed. Now this value is given. What to do? We have to separate the values, powers. 3 raised to power 1 multiply 3 raised to power 2 minus 2y, again multiply 3 raised to power 3x. If there is multiply sign, we add the powers. Now already added, that means we have to separate the powers. 3 raised to power 1 remain as it is. 3 raised to power 3x, that means x and 3 will be separated, and there is 2y, 2 and y will be separated. 3x, that is equals to m, and 3 raised to power y is equals to n. That means it become 3, it become m raised to power 3, it become n raised to power 2. So students, so simple sums are there, nothing is there. If we done these concepts, then we have to just imagine these concepts in our mind. What we have to use, then we can solve it. In exercise 8D, there all starting sums are related to 8A, 8B, 8C. Same concepts are there. But in 8D, after 16 sum, there is a one new concept. Last exercise is same, related to the first, second and third exercise. But after the 16 sum, there is one new concept that is like this one. If there is log with base a and there is b given, then we can write it log b upon log a, because after 16 the sums are based only this concept. Without this concept we can't solve that sums. Again, b is above, log b will be in numerator, a is with base, that means log a in denominator. Now in sum number 17, see, there is given x log 10 12, then y value is given, z value. We can solve it first or we can adjust in the given value. Now x minus y minus z is given. We will write the value of x, value of y and value of z here. Now we have to solve it. Log ab, that means log 12 upon log 10, then log this, log 2 upon log 4, log 9 upon log 10, then log 0.4 upon log 10. We know that log 10 is 1, so we can remove it. Now factors of 12 are 2 raised to power 2 into 3, then there is 4 become 2 raised to power 2, there is 9 3 raised to power 2, log 10 become 1, then 0.4 become 4 upon 10, this 10 log 10 become 1. Now this multiply sign is there, what we have to add, we have to take it plus sign, log 2 raised to power 2 plus log 3, then 2 power become the multiple, then there again this log 2, this power become the multiple, log 2 will be cancelled, this power become the multiple, then log 4, that becomes log m upon n, log 4 minus log 10, minus become plus log 10. Now this 2 and 2 cancel, log 2 cancel. Now see student, log 3 positive, this log 3 with negative will cancel, 2 log 2 positive, then there is 2 log 2 negative, this also cancel. What remain only there, that is log 10, and log 10 value is 1, that means answer become 1. In the next sum number 19, there is given this sum, we have to solve it. Now see, log a upon log b, then log b upon log c, then log c upon log a. Now this log b will cancel with log b, log a with log a, log c with log c, nothing is there. After cancelling, what remain there? There remain 1, that means answer is 1. That means only bache in these last sums, D exercise, this concept we can use, others we have to use the previous concepts. So please try to do it. Okay, thank you.